Shalom upon all the children of Israel and Judah forever. Please make your order now. The pitons, go piton, piti piton, made from volcano ashes with the St. Lucian color and the seeds from the rivers of St. Lucia. You have slightly different designs in large size and in small size and medium size. These are the smaller ones. Email me at yakovaisrael@gmail.com, yakovaisrael@gmail.com. Instagram is JudahForever758. JudahForever758. Look at all these beautiful bracelets. You can also get it customized with your name on it. They're upside down. K-O-B-I, Kobe, with the two pitons on the side. Till next time, shalom upon all the children of Israel and Judah forever.